How to extract text from image using AI. Hey guys, welcome back to the channel. In today's video, I'll show you a quick and easy way to extract text from your images using AI. It's quite easy, so let's just get right into it. I'm going to be using ChatGPT for this. All you have to do here is tap on the plus icon here, and then tap on Photos to upload your image. Tap on your image to upload it. Tap on Done. And then from here, you can just basically write a prompt: extract text from this image. Hit send, and it's going to easily start extracting text from your image. Now you can select which kind of response do you prefer. I'll just go with the first response. Once it's done, choose this. Now to copy it, you can easily long press on the text or just find the copy button at the bottom and you'll be good to go. You can paste it and you're done. That's it for this video, guys. I hope this tutorial was helpful. Hit the like button below and subscribe. I'll see you guys in the next one.